If you're in the market for a drone that's easy to fly and it's going to be a whole lot of fun, the Potensic ATOM is the one for you. This little guy is 249 grams, so that means that you do not need to have a license to fly it. It has a 3-axis gimbal for those nice pictures and shots that you know are always going to be on point. This right here is the controller. You basically hook up your phone in here and connect it to the bottom with the included cable, and you're good to go. You have your 2 antennas here. This one is the Fly More package, so it brings 3 batteries. So you basically connect the batteries to it, hook it up, and you start charging right away. It charges super fast. And again, it's a nice drone, especially if you're getting into drones right now. It has a great range. It brings this nice bag to keep everything nice and tight here. Once you are finished flying, you basically, once you close up the actual drone itself, you can strap the legs with this band right here so that it doesn't move around. And again, a very solid drone overall, and a whole lot of fun to fly.